My name is Damien Dullahan, and on behalf of Tipperary County Council, I'm delighted that PY is being brought to Tipperary in conjunction with Wicklow. So we're here today with some of the PY committee, and you're going to be hearing from some of their voices shortly. This is very important, young people listening to young people. So here we go.
Hi, I'm Derval Howley. I'm delighted to be here today supporting Planet Youth. I work in the health service, and part of my role is Sláinte Care. Sláinte Care is our national government's plan, and it's agreed by all parties on how we can improve the health services here in Ireland. As part of Sláinte Care, we're looking to ensure that our services are provided at the right time and in the right place to those who need us. To do this, we need to work with yourselves as young people, with your parents and with your communities. Planet Youth gives you the opportunity to let us hear your voice, to let you have your say in terms of what's important to you as a young person living here in Tipperary. I really look forward to hearing your views and to working with you to make sure that our health service meets your needs. Thank you.
Hello, my name is Professor Mary Cannon. I'm from the Royal College of Surgeons, University of Medicine and Health Sciences. That's a bit of a mouthful, but I'm part of the Planet Youth team, and I'm here to tell you about the science bit. Planet Youth has really good science behind it. It began about 20 years ago in Iceland as a project to improve young people's health and reduce substance use. And it has been incredibly successful. So successful that it's been rolled out to many countries worldwide, and hundreds of thousands of young people have taken part. The key part of Planet Youth is a questionnaire that you fill out in your classroom. It takes about 40 minutes, and it asks questions about a whole range of things to do with your life, about your family, about where you live, and particularly about you yourself, how you are feeling, what you like to do, what you don't like, what kind of substances you take, what hobbies you have. There's no right or wrong answers for this questionnaire. This is not like a test. We just want to hear about you. And there's two key things to remember. One is this study is totally anonymous. We cannot trace any of these answers back to any particular student. You do not put your name or your date of birth on the questionnaire. This is purely to give us information that will help young people in your community and in your county. The second important thing to remember is that it's voluntary. You do not have to take part. If you're not comfortable with any of the questions, you just stop answering. We do not want anyone to be upset by this questionnaire, and so we will also give a list of free and confidential services that are available to help young people with their mental health. However, most young people really enjoy taking part in this study, and they love telling us about their experiences and their feelings and their hopes. And we can use this information to help improve the lives of young people in your area. So we really hope that you can take part in this Planet Youth study.
Hello, I'm Councillor Imelda Goldsborough, Las Clahirloch of Tipperary County Council. We are here today where Planet Youth initiative has been rolled out throughout the county of Tipperary. This initiative focuses on the challenges that our youth are facing, both urban and rural, throughout the county. In a number of weeks, a survey is going to be carried out. All the information is going to be gathered from different stakeholders, organisations and schools where our youth are going to participate in. This information will highlight to us the different areas where the youth of Tipperary face a number of challenges. So I would encourage all our younger people to participate in this survey. I would also like to congratulate Tipperary County Council for rolling out this very, very important initiative. No matter what difficulties that you are facing, please participate in this fantastic initiative.
We, Corlin Nog, were asked to screen the questions of Planet Youth in Tipperary. We were happy to be part of the process so far. We look forward to seeing results later in the school year. The questions ask us about our lives and how we're getting on. This is really important. It is much better to ask us about our lives than else deciding for us.
The survey will cover a lot of aspects of young people's lives today. This is very important, and it means we can be honest about the information we provide. We want this information to be used, and it'll be very interesting to see what Planet Youth will do for us after this survey is provided.
Hello everyone, my name is Clodagh Kelly. I am Director of Schools, Youth and Music Generation with Tipperary Education and Training Board. I'm delighted to be here today to introduce Planet Youth to the young people of County Tipperary. Planet Youth is an initiative that looks for the voice of young people, where they tell us their opinions on their education, their health and their well-being. Tipperary ETB is very proud to be associated with this great new initiative. We are actively involved in the steering committee of Planet Youth, and our schools and education centres have committed to involve our students in this great initiative, where all of our students will be surveyed to see what their opinions are, so that we can shape the future of services for our young people across County Tipperary. This project aligns very closely with the core values of our organisation, which are excellence, care, equality, community and respect. I would encourage all schools to participate in this initiative, and I really look forward to seeing how the voice of our young people in County Tipperary can shape the future planning, initiatives and developments for all across the county.
Planet Youth is an exciting opportunity for Tipperary, particularly the children and young people in Tipperary. It provides a platform for their participation in decision making that affects their lives. Planet Youth will gather self-reported information on children and young people's health and well-being. This will strengthen the implementation of the Tipperary Children and Young People's Plan. Planet Youth is based on the principle that in order to change risky behaviours for children and young people, we need to understand the factors that contribute to risky behaviours and environments for children and young people. We can then strengthen the protective factors in their lives. We need the whole community to participate to ensure its success. Primary prevention is about preventing problems before they arise. This means diverting young people from risk-taking behaviours such as alcohol and drug use by enhancing the whole community in which they live, be it their lifestyle, relationships, environment or overall well-being.
I'm Donald Kelly, I'm the CEO of Youth for Ireland Tipperary. Youth for Ireland Tipperary work on a right-based, youth-led approach to foster innovation, learning, hope and high expectations among our young people. We believe in a world full of possibilities for young people. We believe in keeping young people at the centre of all decision making. As an organisation, we will employ the coordinator of Planet Youth to support the implementation of Planet Youth across Tipperary. We're incredibly excited about this opportunity. We're looking forward to the next 5 years. We also believe that young people are their experts in their own lives, and it's absolutely essential to consult and involve them in creating supportive communities where they can grow and thrive.
Planet Youth is great because it gives young people the chance to talk about their lives without anyone knowing who says what. People can't plan for their future if they don't know their present. This is our chance to talk about our lives, the good and the bad. The best part is, by completing the survey, we are playing our part to help young people in the future. It is really good to be taken seriously because that is what Curling and Oak is all about.
Hi, I'm Chloe and I am a youth advocate for Jigsaw Tipperary. We were approached by Planet Youth and asked to conduct a survey for young people, asking about their lives and how they were getting on. I am helping the Planet Youth team have a better understanding of young people's lives, because it is so important that young people are heard and their opinions are listened to and valued. The information that we gather is going to be used by parents, young people and also people who work in Tipperary. I think it is so important that young people's voices are heard and that they are involved in more decision making in their local county or town. Let's make this happen.
You've heard the words partnership and collaboration, and these are hugely important because no one person can carry out all the work. We must work in collaboration together and listen to each other. The magic of this process is when adults who work with young people listen to them and work in partnership with them to provide supports and a supporting environment. So the data we get from this survey is hugely important because it will allow us to set the direction in which we want to go. It's very important that we get good data. This will allow our plans to evolve and to provide support that young people need in the environment that they're in.